Auntie Mado. Auntie Mado. Mado.
Ezigbo nwanyị mgbara ịkpagalọta.
Abịa masị na ije bọọbụ.
Ezigbo nwanyị mgbara ịkpagalọta. Jere mba gaghị mba.
Mmiri na-asa na agụ na-asa.
Ọkpala asa mbala asa. Ọ ihe m
Mmadụ.
dọkwa m.
Anụ m n'ije bọọbụ gị.
Ọ ka aka m si bụ nsogbu dị. Mere ndị nọ be anyị ala agwele m n'ụlọ. Maka ana m lara biba.
Ya.
Nne m nnọọ.
Ọ ya bịakwa be nna ya. N'aha Jizọs. Amen. Amen. Amen.
Next year ị ga-aka nke ahụ.
Amen.
Jizọs.
Amen.
Promotion.
Amen. 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 Amen.
Ejela shike.
Amen.
Ọdụdụ.
Amen.
Unu ji enye unu. Iri unu kpatara ji enye unu. Ihe unu na-eme ji emesiri unu ike. N'aha Jizọs.
Amen. See prayer now.
Nne m na-anwụle.
Gege ha mee.
A na-arụrụ aka na-arụrụ ha ọrụ.
Na
Ya mere iru ka ma ndị penti ka dọchị
Ewo.
na-anyachije ihe ma ndị na-emesela nwasha ọzọ.
Yeah.
Ha niile nọcha ka ya si o megheri o jide yiweche mbe ya oyi ere.
Ọfụtara. Okay.
Izu na ọchị unu ha gachi ya nka ha etegwele mgbe ya.
Ute go na Facebook anyị na ya na-afụ nụ.
Mba ọrịa shi unu la-alọ ya
Tie.
tie. Ha emele do 1 week and ha la.
Ha natakwa n'oge.
Ha gara n'oge emechi ha le school. Ọ dị ya lọtara ya. Na ndị eme.
Ahụmadichi unu gị na anyị fụchago n'ụmụ Ụzọnna. Aka m na-ekwu nke eku n'aka mbọsị a amụkwala ọzọ. Chukwu alụka. Hey! Anụ nke a tọkwara ụtọ n'anya o. I will still want. Is this my food? Aunty Grace, ka ihe na-ekunyekwa ya iche iche. Nye m ngazi. Maybe. Ned, you still haven't finished unraveling this fork. You still haven't finished unraveling this hair, this girl.
I fell asleep.
You fell asleep again. Madre mia. Yala Huskanabang. Do you sleep at night at all? Take notes. Let's go outside and eat. So that breeze will be entering our body. Never. Okay. Uncle Sam. And men use again. Nana Naliku. Oh, boy. Eba. I don't hear him. We are chopping outside under the stars. God, oh God. The way this coconut grew, it's impressive, man. I'm still impressed. Look at those two. You see? Those two. Man, you see? My husband was even asking me if it's better. I was showing him this dried up one. See, this one is dried up that I saw. And in the process, I saw these two tiny ones here. See? These two here. And I was telling her it's bearing fruit. I didn't even see this. And this one is ripe. Oh, one of them looks ripe. Let me go and get something and pluck it. Sandu na tale go over before. Hey. And then orange we ni dalewin. Orange ah. Kembo. Ona ha toto. Oroma Greek ara toto. Mmiri adịkwari.
Mmiri dị amara ha toto.
maybe a few years. Obu no to hotel. Can we have or mango we have? How many? Oh, yeah. Oh, boy. Can I have one handful of in now one day? I always think any can we have? Yeah, I'll go back. I'll go over we have. Don't walk out, walk over. I'll go over. How could I do it? I'll go over. Oh, I had total. Hey. Also, see be about already heck a hammer. Hana Hamakwana Hana be about as I. Also, see be about already heck a hammer. Eh? Me again. Okay, on other sister. We go wait to go do. Baby, be go back. I mama got there. Ochabe. Ofunka na diki he chala chanka this side. Ore yote. Ngwani si na Ochabe happy. If anybody touches this guava, me and the person will put leg in one trouser. This guava. Nobody should touch it. This one. These two. I hope they're right before we go back. Hey, Chineke. Auntie Gray, good na talk. Eh? Can keep video go come. Oh, the bam, I'm good. Now by you go video.
I go to that or bank video. I can post on TikTok.
You know, social media.
No.
You can't go on ya. Hey, Auntie Gray was him.
Bác có việc đâu ai quả.
Auntie Gray.
Our grand.
Nah, TikToker.
I have a TikTok.
I love that.
Nina Bia. You go there na kokon na. But no video me.
Hey, Jesus.
Really cow the bell. I can't remember to carry anka because
Onibokina su. Auntie Grace, ichokwanka worldwide na you na see ani. Yeah, that's English. Come on, people. And then what you about? You also
how we use big bull.
Auntie Grace. It tastes your sugar to ya.
It's not funny. Yes.
Okay, okay.
Because it's not funny. Yes.
Hey, sugar the animal self. Hey. You got shift to. Okay. 18. Check abia bupo why this thing. You know what think you need I make a medium size. Because give me one omaricha one. Get him a omaricha one you work with so wegi. Oh, touch of phone.
Touch and follow, I do.
Touch and follow, you do.
Yes, sir.
Look, see. Okay, the way for Tiana cookie. See this fine queen
Now God, give
that accepted to marry this Emeka medium size. Emeka used to be Emeka Obele. We used to call him Emeka Obele because my brother-in-law he grew up with my mother-in-law.
You see how they see my own?
Yeah.
And my brother-in-law is also Emeka, so they used to call him Emeka Obele. But now I've elevated him to Emeka medium size.
Oh no!
Emeka medium size. See queen, see smile. Hey! Na iji kwa ọgwụ.
Millions they want.
Emeka Obele iji ọgwụ.
I got that for me.
They gonna monitor my mommy.
Can me give her?
Show my mommy. Show my mommy this fine lady.
I want authentic.
Did you? Oh, now, Joaquia boss with it. Hey, Emeka Obele.
Do what
Olololo. Oh, Bele celebrity. Mommy is not celebrity. Mommy is not a celebrity. Hey, Emeka
That's my
Obele.
baby wife.
He meet you up.
My God.
Look at. Hey. Look at
watermelon.
Chineke. Emeka Obele kwa na melon of Nina. Anyị na mu eri ebe a.
Ekwa akuzi m na mo.
Onye na mu ya akuzi gị back. Edition nke ho nwa amalu ka esem. Emeka Obele na eme na nwa ihe mo.
Emenugo m.
Ekweso law. Before you na mu eri ebe o ma na omenu be odi ya.
Maybe some more thing.
No be
Well, we have to
small
order.
thing, no.
No be small thing, no. God really has to do that for us.
Congratulations. Nekwa nke. Hey! Emeka to nguru nke.
Maburu ya na.
Nekwa okwa maburu hose.
Hose where dey? Hose confirm.
Hey! Emeka was no maburu.
Or this eating to wife.
Okwa.
When they are
Heavyweight.
when they are basina dia hekuye dia so ya shi yare ko dia ko se.
Okwa ikuo mbosi wedding ikuru na aga. Okwa ikuta mbosi wedding. N'ihu ndị mmadụ ya ekuzi later.
Mboji dey too much. What did you shape? Man half ileko.
I just finished editing one video now. Hey, let me go and eat. I don't know what happened to the light here. Auntie Grace has been shouting, come and eat, come and eat. I said, leave me, oh, my people said I should upload video. Auntie Grace, Abiagum, Abadatagum. So I can warm more the guy. Oh, unne buje. Unne buje ofe. Kebe ha dicha. Kebe fela ani ne dicha. Unu ebe no bu unu ji we buje ni ebe obuna make sure nu buchi atari azo ku na mi hem na. Obo so se bia buru efere. O buchi ate. Finally, let me eat so that Auntie Grace can rest. Come and eat, come and eat, come and eat. Uncle couldn't take some without me. Somebody has tried to pluck this guava. Oh, you see how it's bent now. Ay, you can't see it very okay. Can you see it? Can you see it here? It's bent. It's supposed to stand upright like the other one. It is now bent. Let me just kukuma pluck it and eat like that. Because there's no need. Very soon it will just fall off without maturing further.
cover.
It's not even mature and somebody tried to pluck it. Eh? These children. It's white guava. It's not even ripe yet. It's so juicy.